What's your name?
David.
Hi, David. What are you going to show us today?
Here's, I have a Play-Doh. It's a Play-Doh.
You got that for Christmas, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is a Christmas toy.
So all you have to do, okay,
What was that?
Play-Doh.
That's yellow Play-Doh?
Yeah.
And what are you doing with
It's
it?
a couple orange.
Oh, okay. And what are you doing with it? Sticking it in?
Put it in the Play-Doh maker.
Okay. Oh, it's a Play-Doh maker. What are you going to make?
If you squeeze it, the play comes out.
Oh, okay. And what are these?
Those are Play-Doh making.
Oh, okay, so what does it make?
It makes Play-Doh.
Like different shapes?
Okay. Can you help me?
Sure. Okay, that's what you gotta do, Davey. You gotta slide it. Hold it, okay? I'm gonna help you slide it.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Now what do you do?
This. Let's do this.
It's gonna go through. Okay, so show us what happens next. Whoa, that is so. What are you making?
It's a Play-Doh.
You're making Play-Doh spaghetti or like a Play-Doh snake?
Play-Doh spaghetti.
Aha, cool.
Cut with a knife.
And you can cut it with a knife. Oh, very cool.